When evolution plans a working design for an animal, it follows that plan to the T. However, every 1,000 years or so, it feels a bit more creative and gives as an animal so truly unique, we can truly consider them to be once in a millennium animals. Let's take a look at some of them, shall we? From what allegedly was the offspring of a crocodile and a buffalo, number 10. Crocodile-buffalo hybrid. When two animals belonging to different species mate, and the mate produces an offspring, the resulting offspring is called a hybrid. Hybrids are extremely rare in the wild, but they do occur. Most hybridization happen in captivity though. Also, in order for the hybrid to be possible, both parent animals have to be very similar, like lions and tiger would produce a liger, and a cow and a buffalo would produce the beefalo, and so on and so forth. But the question is it possible for two animals that are poles apart produce a hybrid offspring? Number 9. The hexapus. Octopuses have 8 arms, or tentacles if you want to be technical about it. That's why they are called octopuses. But once in a while, perhaps even every 1,000 years, an octopus is born that stands out from the rest. In the case of Henry, he was born with only 6 tentacles, making him the only hexapus in the world. Henry the hexapus lives at the Blackpool Sea Life Aquarium, but was originally caught, along with 7 other 8-legged members of his kind, just off the coast of Wales. His bizarre mutation was only noticed when he decided to attach himself to the glass of his tank. Number 8. The two-legged dog. Faith the two-legged dog has lived a hard life. First, she was born with 2 good hind legs and 2 bad front legs, owing to a brain defect that hindered the development of her limbs. And because of her defects, her mother, a homeless dog, rejected her, even trying to kill her. Fortunately, she was found by 17-year-old Reuben Stringfellow, who gave her to his mother. Soon after this, her 2 front legs began to weaken and had to be amputated. Left with only her 2 hind legs, Faith defied the impossible and was soon able to stand, walk, hop, and run. Today, Faith walks on her hind legs just like a human being. She has met with several celebrities and has even appeared on the Oprah show. Number 7. The odd-eyed cat. An odd-eyed cat is a cat with 1 blue eye and 1 eye either green, yellow, or brown. This is a feline form of complete heterochromia, a condition that occurs in some other animals, including humans. There is also partial heterochromia, where there can be 1 blue eye and 1 eye that is partially blue and partially another color. The condition most commonly affects white cats, but may be found in a cat of any color, provided that it possesses the white spotting gene. The odd-eyed coloring is caused when either the epistatic, dominant, white gene, which masks any other color genes and turns a cat completely white, or the white spotting gene, which is the gene responsible for bicolor and tuxedo cats, prevents melanin, pigment, granules from reaching 1 eye during development, resulting in a cat with 1 blue eye and 1 green, yellow, or brown eye. The condition only rarely occurs in cats that lack both the dominant white and the white spotting gene. Number 6. A cat with wings. The winged cat, a feline with wings like a bird, bat, or other flying creature, is a theme in artwork and legend going back to prehistory, especially mythological depictions of big cats with eagle wings in Eurasia and North Africa. Belief in domestic cats with wings persists to the present day as an urban legend. Sightings of cats with supposed wings are easily explained by medical conditions that can result in matted hair, loose skin, or supernumerary limbs on or near the shoulders, that flap about in a wing-like manner as the cat runs. Pantherines with wings, especially winged lions, are a common theme in ancient religious and mythological art of the Sumerians and other Mesopotamians, Akkadians, Persians, and Scythians. Number 5. The three-headed frog. Children in a nursery were shocked when they spotted a 3-headed frog hopping in their garden. The creature, which has 6 legs, has stunned a BBC wildlife expert who said it could be an early warning of environmental problems. Laura Pepper, from the Green Umbrella Nursery in Weston-super-Mare, said, "We thought it was 3 frogs huddled together at first. It is very strange. The children couldn't believe it. Mike Dilger, from the BBC Natural History Unit, said, "I have never seen anything like this. Frogs are primitive animals, so the occasional extra toe is not that unusual. But this is very unusual. All the creature's eyes and legs appear to function normally, but it is not known whether it eats using all three of its mouths." Number 4. White tiger. The white tiger or bleached tiger is a leucistic pigmentation variant of the Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, and hybrids between the two. It is reported in the wild from time to time in the Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, in the Sundarbans region and especially in the former state of Reva. It has the typical black stripes of a tiger, but carries a white or near white coat. The white Bengal tigers are distinctive due to the color of their fur. The white fur caused by a lack of the pigment pheomelanin, which is found in Bengal tigers with orange color fur. When compared to Bengal tigers, the white Bengal tigers tend to grow faster and heavier than the orange Bengal tiger. Number 3. The monkey pig. Pig primate chimeras have been born live for the first time but died within a week. The two piglets, created by a team in China, looked normal although a small proportion of their cells were derived from cynomolgus monkeys. This is the first report of full-term pig-monkey chimeras, says Tang Hai at the State Key Laboratory of Stem Cell and Reproductive Biology in Beijing. The ultimate aim of the work is to grow human organs in animals for transplantation. But the results show there is still a long way to go to achieve this, the team says. Hai and his colleagues genetically modified cynomolgus monkey cells growing in culture so they produced a fluorescent protein called GFP. This enabled the researchers to track the cells and their descendants. They then derived embryonic stem cells from the modified cells and injected them into pig embryos 5 days after fertilization. On last number we have a human-faced goat. At first, the oddball animal left villagers in Nimodaya baffled as its freakish facial structure make it look just like a grumpy old man. However, they now reportedly say the unfortunate-looking creature will be worshipped as an avatar of God. Owner Mukshji Prajapap, from the village of Nimodaya, first unveiled his flat-faced goat on film showing it wagging its tail and stumbling around. In India it is common for mutant animals to attract attention as many consider them to be a sign of God, according to local sources. Experts have suggested the goat suffers from a rare congenital defect known as cyclopean, where genes which under normal circumstances create facial symmetry fail. Recently a mutant cow was born in the Bardhaman district of West Bengal which was also worshipped by the locals until it sadly died aged just 4 months. A mutant piglet that looked like a chimpanzee was born in Cuba with one eye in the middle of its forehead.